It's no secret that the health care reform has not been popular with everyone in America. Do you think health care or a portion of health care is a right or a privilege in the United States? We begin with Mrs. Ducey.
Well, we shouldn't have to have health care forced upon us simply because we're Americans and we live in this country. It's not right that we have socialism creeping into what's happening in our country, because socialism and communism are against the law, and as we pick and choose and take bits and pieces out of that, we're going to have problems. Were there people that were ill when the founders wrote the Constitution? Yes, I think there were, and that is why we have charity hospitals and free clinics. It is against the law to force us to buy a product, and it is unconstitutional to have this health care bill.
Health care reform, the topic, Mr. Pompeo.
I would absolutely work diligently to repeal Obamacare as one of the very first things I do when I'm elected to Congress. And this is a place Representative Goyle and I disagree greatly. He thinks there's some good things in there and that it's complicated. I think it's the single biggest job-destroying piece of legislation passed in the United States Congress in our nation's history. We know how to do health care. If you create places for competition and markets and allow patients and doctors to make good decisions for their own health care, we'll drive down costs and do what we need to do in our health care system.
Now the answer from Mr. Smith.
I believe health care is a privilege. I believe the free market best provides health care to the American people, so I want the government completely out of it. I would have voted against the Obamacare bill, and if I'm elected, I will do everything I can to repeal that law.
And now, a comment from Mr. Goyle.
The health care bill exemplified the worst of what we see in Washington now, rank partisanship rather than a focus on common sense solutions. I understand health care. My mom and dad have been doctors here for nearly 40 years, providing top quality health care to Kansans. Moving forward, I will work to repeal the provisions of the bill that do not work for Kansans and retain those that help Kansans.